How's it going, guys? We're going to be checking out ChatGPT 01 preview, OpenAI's new model here, and we're going to test it out. I think it came out yesterday. So we're just using a one-page builder called Card, and it's a site builder that I've used for several years. I have some other tutorials on this on the channel. But right now we just have this site loaded up. It just says hi right now. We have a HTML block right in the middle of the page right now, so we're just gonna see what we got. So this is the HTML code right now. We're gonna replace that obviously with something here, and I wanted to test this out just to see if it could do just a quick something for HTML only, something different than 4.0. I've been testing that a lot for landing pages and stuff, and it works great, but wanted to see, since it does it thinks about the issues that it might come up with, so we're gonna see if the reasoning here definitely helps. So we're just going to start with something simple. Let's see. So we'll keep it simple, right? A lot of people like things simple. So can you make a beautiful HTML page showcasing all the power of HTML only? Give me the full code so I can copy and paste it on the HTML block in one piece. And then the best animation, visuals, and mind-blowing. Okay, we'll just see what that comes up with. So we'll see if it can give us something cool looking on the page. And then obviously, once you build a page too, it's really easy to build just like a landing page with, you give it a list of things you want, and give it a link and say I want people to click this button, I want them to go to this link, and then kind of dial it in from there. But being able to just start with something visually is crazy, because this would usually take a long time. So we're gonna see what we get. We already got it done, and so down here it's going to give us some information. We're just going to copy this over and throw it into Card, see what we get. So we're just literally going to paste this right in here, and this is just a tester site that we're using today, the tester site.card.co. So we'll just throw this up real quick, and I like to use Card because you can throw things up really fast. So here we go, we got a visual right here. So this is what we got right here, the website. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else we can do. So we got some figures and things like that floating around in there. Let's see what it said. Interactive particle network. Let's see if we can make it crazier. So can you make it crazier? Use all power of HTML. So now it's going to think again. So it's going to give us some more ideas up here. Certainly, let's take it up a notch. Create an immersive 3D experience using WebGL and the 3.js library. So rotating 3D Earth, realistic textures. I guess we'll see what we get. And then we'll copy this code over and throw it in, see what we get. Again, I love Card because you can just do this really fast and test things out. Obviously, it's not as powerful as some other of your own hosting, because it's just literally just the HTML block, but it works great for a lot of simple things and a lot of really super cool things. So it's powerful. I don't know what this means. So I'm trying to drag it, so something's broken now. Let's just say it's not working. I don't like, sometimes I just like to test and see if it sees something instead of explaining that I can't click, or so we can see everything it's thinking about down here. So it might be something to do. So maybe this is something to do with card or something like that as well. Let's see, let's paste this in here. I tell you what though, you can get hooked on this stuff for hours because it's so fast to do changes on sites. Okay, so we got something going on here, changing colors. So let's say and this is one of the hiccups I've actually found. So it's trying to give me Python too, I think. So let's see. Oh yeah. See, yeah, consider running it through a local web server. That's what it's saying. So there's only so much you can do, obviously, but we'll see what we get here. See if this works. Just always save your code so you can roll back if you need to. Save your chats. And obviously, if you're good at coding, you can get updated sections and stuff and replace your coding, your code sections and stuff like that. But I'm just trying to showcase the fact that you can literally just get a full piece of code and paste it. And let's see what that does. And again, that's a long piece of code that would usually take a long time. So that's still not working. So again, that might just be something that's not working in card. So let's go ahead and actually grab the first piece of code here. So literally just copy this. So this is the only code working. So this is just kind of my workflow. If I see something that's not working, I'll just throw it back in there and let it think again. So again, thinking, making progress. It's going to go through everything, clarifying the problem. And again, we'll see. I'm sorry. Let's create it. Let's see if it works. You know, this is one of the things that can take up a lot of time is when things don't work. But again, doing something like this custom would take so long. So sometimes it's hard to complain. That's a lot shorter. So we'll see what it did. Okay, so we have an animation here. So I don't know if that was the goal. let's just say let's turn this into a game, the working code. Let's see what it does. So it gives us some gameplay mechanics. Move your mouse to navigate the player's circle, collide with particles to collect them, increase your score. Particles respawn at random locations after being collected. Countdown timer that tracks game time, 60 seconds. The game ends when the timer reaches 0. So that's cool. Let's see what we get. See if this works. All right, so we got, so it does work, so we can drag around and collect particles, I guess. Score 6. Yeah, you can see the score going up right here, so that's cool. So we just try to collect as many particles as possible. So obviously we could expand on this. So again, working from something simple, something visual into some little fun game that you could expand on. So maybe I'll do that. I'll keep expanding this and do another video. But I think this video is probably drug on long enough. But yeah, just testing this out real quick. Let me know what you guys think. We got 14 seconds left. Let's see, yeah, I suck. Well, it's not bad at dragging. It'd be interesting to test this on the phone. All right, 83. All right, guys. Cheers. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're interested in AI. Yeah, we'll see you in the next video.